Hello, good morning. Start with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Today, our topic is about Chipotle sauce. Many of you would better know about Chipotle sauce. I also want to tell you about the main ingredients of the Chipotle sauce, how we can make Chipotle sauce. What is Chipotle sauce made of? There are many questions in the mind of people about the Chipotle sauce. So I want to tell and give detail about the Chipotle sauce. Chipotle sauce is basically made of different ingredients like mayo. This is the base foundation of the Chipotle sauce. Sour cream adds extra creaminess and a slight tanginess. Chipotle peppers and adobo, the key ingredient that gives the sauce its smoky and spicy flavor. Lime juice, the acidity balance out the spiciness, and you can say that Chipotle sauce is similar to smoked paprika, has all the smoky flavor you crave, making it the best substitute for the chipotle. Although it is a much milder spice than dried chipotle or even fresh jalapenos, mix in the desired amount of cayenne pepper to dial up the heat. So, if someone asks about what is the taste of chipotle, the distinctive flavor of the chipotle is smokiness, but underneath the smoke and heat. Chipotles are also sweet. Allowing the chilies to ripen on the vine to a deep red makes them much sweeter than green jalapenos. Is chipotle sauce really spicy? The chipotle sauce is very much spicy, full of authentic flavor, and when used on your favorite dishes like barbecue, they will result in hot but not super hot meals. So, what flavor is Chipotle sauce? The next answer is Chipotle sauce is a creamy sauce with a vibrant yet smoky flavor. Thanks to the combination of the smoked jalapenos and adobo sauce, it's notably tangy and can be somewhat spicy. So, if someone is curious about how hot is Chipotle hot sauce, if we talk about its origin, the origin of Chipotle sauce is Mexico. There are many types of Chipotle sauce. One of them is honey Chipotle sauce. The combination of sweet and spicy without the overwhelming acidic notes of tomatoes makes honey chipotle a lovely flavor, pairing them perfect for the just grilled flavor we all love. So today's topic is covered. We will come back with another keyword and another topic. Goodbye. Thank you.